Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Friday. It is the 10th day of the 10th month of 2025. My goodness, this month and year are going by quickly. Third of the way through the month already. Well, our weather situation for the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast has some questions for the upcoming next several days. There are going to be some coastal flood watches, in fact, from the Outer Banks of North Carolina right up through Delmarva, New Jersey, Long Island, and coastal New England. An area of low pressure is going to be forming probably over the Carolinas or just offshore and then slowly, gradually drifting northward. The models have been changeable, and also the timing has been different from model to model. And it does show that the best possibility for some rainy weather would be the afternoon and evening on Sunday and also on Columbus Day Monday from this low pressure system that will drive in east winds, and that's going to cause that coastal flooding and beach erosion. And there's a lot of places in South Jersey that have had beach erosion this past season, and looks like that situation may get a little bit worse, like at Brigantine and sections of Cape May County, and even sections of Monmouth and Ocean counties as well in New Jersey. Coastal sections of Long Island, also the South Shore, probably will have some beach erosion and the possibility of some coastal flooding there, probably on Sunday and Monday. So we have coastal flood watches in effect for those places at that time. In the meantime, for your Friday, we've got high pressure building in. Sunny skies, highs will reach the middle 60s in most places. Fair to partly cloudy at night, 47. Then clouds on the increase from that approaching storm from the south on Saturday will give us some rain Saturday night and Sunday, mostly Sunday and Monday. Temperatures on Sunday and Monday with the coastal flood watches in effect and that East Coast storm ranging generally in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Now, if you're traveling today, specifically traveling by airliner, you're going to have some significant delays across the nation because of the government shutdown. And it is causing quite a bit of delays. We've seen some 600, at least delays, some cancellations in Atlanta, Charlotte, New York, Newark, also out in Chicago, and also out in the West Coast as well. An interesting thing at the West Coast, we have a tropical storm, Priscilla, that's just off to we have tropical storm Priscilla, which is just to the west of Baja California. That's an extension of California south into the Pacific and just to the northwestern coast of Mexico. Well, there's another one, another tropical storm that's to the south, and the combination of those two are going to be bringing lots of rain into the West Coast. So that, along with the government shutdown and the problems with the FAA and all the other government agencies, we're going to have some hefty rains and possibly some monsoons across the Four Corners area and a good portion of California in the south, and also from San Francisco north up to Portland and into Seattle. But that's being caused by some Aleutian low-pressure systems that are now starting to take hold and move into the Pacific Northwest as well. Central and South Florida also under some scattered showers and thunderstorms, so some delays there weather-wise. But, of course, you're going to have all delays, so just check with your carriers, check with your flights at all times. Best to schedule over the next several days, if it is next week, is to schedule in the morning, first thing out. That's when you want to be, not in the afternoon and evening when the delays compound. And that's something to consider when you're making those plans for traveling over the next several days. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on Saturday. Take a look at that storm developing over the east at that time. See you then.